Hello and welcome to dovisignature.com. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make this easy, soft and tasty puff puff. Now with just a few ingredients, we'll get this ready in no time. Some of the things you need in your shopping list are yeast, flour, sugar, and oil. Now for the full list of ingredients, I will leave a link to the recipe in the description below. So without further ado, let's get cooking. In a bowl, you combine the flour, sugar and yeast together. Now remember, you have to ensure that the yeast is alive. To do that, you have to proof the yeast first to ensure it is alive. I'll leave a link on how to proof yeast below. So once you're sure your yeast is alive, you combine it with the flour and sugar, just as I've done. Once you've combined with the flour and sugar, you add water and mix till you get a very smooth paste. A smooth, stretchy paste. You can add more water. If the water you added at first isn't enough, just add some more water and you mix thoroughly. You mix till you get a stretchy paste like this. This is perfect. Now I'm scraping the sides of the bowl to ensure everything gets into the bowl, because we're going to leave this to rise for a few minutes, let's say 15 minutes. Just cover it and leave it to rise for 15 minutes and it's going to double in size. Also, the texture would be more stretchy, just as it is right now. So the next thing you do is to heat up some oil in a pan and make sure it is well heated up. Then rinse your hand. Make sure your hand is actually wet so that you would use the hollow of your hand to drop the puff puff dough into the oil. And then drop as much as the pan can contain into the oil. So you just drop it one after the other. Once the first side is done, you flip it over with a skewer, just as I'm doing right now, and then you break up any part that is joined together. Just flip it over to cook the other side. Now once your puff puff is as brown as this, you remove it from the hot oil and drain on a paper towel or a sieve. Just drain off the excess oil and your puff puff is ready to be served. Now you see, puff puff is best eaten hot, so enjoy it while it's hot. Okay, so remove every puff puff from the oil and fry the remaining batch. So right now I'm just removing the puff puff from the oil to make room for the next batch that will be fried till the remaining dough has been exhausted. Now you just repeat the process for the rest of the dough till the remaining dough gets exhausted. Now I'm going to try one. Let's see what it looks like inside. Now that is perfect. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Till next time, bye bye.